Welcome to AgroAsia Tractors. In this video, the preliminary checks before starting a tractor will be elaborated. First of all, engine oil level will be inspected. Before this, make it sure the tractor is parked at a leveled place. Then take out the engine dipstick, clean it and put it back to its place. Take it out again and check the oil scale. The oil level must lies between the maximum and minimum level of dipstick. Secondly, hydraulic oil level will be inspected. Hydraulic dipstick is located below the driver's seat. Take this dipstick out and clean it. Put it back to its place and take it out again. Now check the oil level. The scale of hydraulic oil dipstick is different and depends upon the operation. If the purpose is to only pull the implements, then the oil level must fall in the premises of this 3x scale, as mentioned on the screen. And if the purpose involves hydraulic oil, like working of front loader, tipping trailer, backhoe and others, the oil level must fall in the max premises of dipstick scale. Thirdly, inspect the water level by opening the cover of radiator. Fill it with water in case of lower level. Fourthly, observe the fuel level by opening fuel tank cover. Fill it with diesel if required for smooth field operations. After that, pre-air cleaner will be dismantled, cleaned and assembled back to its position. In the last step, fuel filter will be inspected. If sediments or water is present in it, loose the filter outlet plug to flow out all the water and dirt particles for efficient working. Now the tractor is ready to start its daily operations. Don't forget to take these preliminary steps before starting your tractor. Thank you.